Yeah, and by the way, the Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championships will be live on TVJ, TVJ Sports Network, and on radio at Fame 95 FM. We'll also be on onespotmedia.com, and we start at 8:35 tomorrow morning with a pre-game show, so you won't want to miss that. Now, the personal goal of supporting and empowering mothers was put into further practice by Jamaican-born USA track and field legend Sania Richards-Ross through her foundation, Mommination. 5 mothers were given donations amounting $3,000 to assist with rebuilding post the passage of Hurricane Melissa, along with items being shipped to the country to further help mothers who were affected in Western Jamaica. The initiative brought together the San Myrna Foundation and Kiwanis Club of Jamaica. Owner of Spearhead Partner, Rhina's Kitchen, Rhina Josephs, says what started as a minor relief effort made greater impact than expected.
We collected maybe a few items here and there, a few, little monetary donations here and there. What turned out to be, a small idea turned into a 40-foot container of essentials, food, and other supplies to help these moms and other moms in their community get through this situation.
One of the recipients, Patrice Morgan, expressed gratitude for the donation.
After everything and the hurricane and my roof was gone and everything damaged in the household, I was laying down on the bed and I decided to just text her and told her that I lost everything and the hurricane damaged my house, and she responded. Just me, I never knew it was she was going to do such a great stuff for us. So I could put on back my roof and everything. Really grateful for the support, and thanks to Mommination for assisting us also.